everybody. Happy New Year, everybody. Hope you all are keeping well. Oh my god, guys, it's been a minute. This is my first video of 2021. I'm so happy to be back, guys. I missed you all. Wow, it's more than 8 months, guys, since my last upload. I can't even believe that. So for those new subscribers, thanks for tuning in today. I love you. For my returning subscribers, thanks for your continuous support. Guys, I'm super excited today because your girl just received her first makeup PRO box. I am super grateful for this. I am so happy. And this was sent to me by Sigma Beauty. If you don't know Sigma, they are known for like their good quality makeup brushes, and not just only makeup brushes, they do everything makeup. As you can see, guys, they sent me a lot of goodies. I can't just wait to try them and give you guys my opinion. And also I'll be trying other makeup brands in this makeup tutorial, so let's dive in. I'm gonna be starting with my eyebrow. I'm just trying to use my spoolie to comb everything in place. Then I went in with my NYX micro brow pencil in black. This is a very soft black, and you can actually build it. Depends on the makeup look you want to go for. I love the fact that it's buildable and you can really go for a very natural and soft eyebrow look. You get what I mean? Sorry, my eyebrow is a bit of a mess. My plan was to actually groom my eyebrow before this video. You can't believe I just remember right now. That's one of the struggle, guys. When you're a mom, you just forget these little things. So that shouldn't be an excuse though. I hope you understand it, especially those of you that are moms in the house. So just say hello in the comment section so I can see all my friends. I'm just filling in my eyebrow. I just have to take my time with this process because eyebrow is that thing that I normally don't do it when I am filming. I have this shaking hand. I don't know if you guys understand. I shake a lot when I do eyebrows. That's why I just do it off camera. I was like, today I will do it. Abies, face the camera and do this eyebrow. You can do it. And I'm doing it right now and feeling comfortable. I'm just taking my time to fill in my eyebrows. When you're trying to just make your eyebrow perfect, you just make more mistakes. Sometimes I just end up cleaning it and starting again. Remember, eyebrows are friends. They are not sisters or twins. So when your eyebrows are close enough, just accept it and move on. I'm gonna clean up my eyebrows with my Helly Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn and Toast. I'm gonna use the Fawn to clean the bottom of my brow because I really want it to be popping. We want this makeup, guys, to be popping. And I'm gonna be using the Toast to clean the top. But right now, guys, I don't know what is going on here. This Toast is meant to be dark. Your girl, she used the same brush, guys. That's why the both of them just look almost the same, which right now, guys, there's gonna be loads of blending because I just don't know I'm gonna blend that part right now. I just don't like when there's harsh line in my eyebrows. I recommend, guys, if you just don't want harsh line, just use your foundation. Foundation is not as thick as concealer. When I really want to go for a very natural look, I prefer to use foundation. And also, if you want to use a concealer, go for a concealer that is very close to your skin tone, like very close. That way it's more blendable. When you use a bright concealer or a foundation to clean the top of your brows, like what you're just seeing right now, it takes ages to blend. It's only when you're a pro you can get away with it, but when you're a beginner, I recommend go for a foundation or a concealer that is close to your skin tone. That way you can just blend it like a pro. I'm using my Revlon concealer brush. This brush is my best pro brush of all time, and I'm using my Real Technique Deluxe crease brush to blend everything together. This brush blends everything like a dream. I'm not even joking, it's my favorite. So guys, I will be going back with my spoolie. I'm gonna use that to put everything in place just so we can fade everything in so they look natural. You get what I mean? I'm gonna use my P.Louise eyeshadow base in Rumor 05, and you can use whatever concealer eyeshadow base that you have. I believe they all do the same thing. I'm gonna go in with my Sigma Warm Neutral Palette Volume 2. Guys, did you see the shades? They are gorgeous. They are just beautiful, and I can't wait to see how pigmented they are. As you can see guys, the pigments are so good. That is very important for me when I'm buying an eyeshadow. The pigments must be there or else no, I don't waste my money. Guys, this palette has some shimmers and some matte finish, which is very important, and there's some colors for me, some shades for me, like this rug and henna. I'm gonna use those two on my crease and then maybe one shimmer on my leg. To be honest guys, I don't know the look I'm going for. I'm just gonna play with all these products and see what I can create. So I hope you guys enjoy this fun with me. Guys, the shade Rogue, is what I'm using on my crease right now. So it's actually the darkest in the palette. I'm using my Sigma E40 Tampered blending brush. I'm just using that on my crease to blend everything. Like this brush guys blends like a dream. I'm not even joking. I can see what the hype is all about. Their brushes are just the bomb.com. My first time using it, I'm impressed. I went in with my Rogue again. Is it Rogue or Rogue? I'm just trying to build it up to intensify the look because I really want something that is a bit bold, something that is a bit, I don't know how to put it. So we just see how it turns out though, because right now I don't know. I went in with this shade called After Hours, and I'm gonna use that to blend out the Rogue so they get to know each other. I went back with my P.Louise eyeshadow base, and I'm gonna be using that to cut my crease. And I'm using my Sigma E60 large shader brush to do that. Guys, I don't know if you can see what I'm seeing right now. This eyeshadow is getting out of hand. The intensity, the intensificity, it's just too much. I don't know what happened. I just hope this turns out well because I'm scared already. I'm applying that under my waterline as well for my eyeshadow later. I'm gonna go in with this shade called Shama, and I will use my Sigma E55 small shader brush to apply that. I'm gonna go in with this shade called Henna, and I'm just gonna pack that on my outer crease with my Sigma E40 Tampered blending brush. I'm just gonna make sure I intensify that place. We are still doing the intensity guys. So I'm just trying to blend the both shades together so it can be seamless. Guys, I'll be going with my Sigma gel liner, and this one is called Wicked and it's black. I'll be applying it with my Sigma E05 eyeliner brush. We're gonna be winging out these eyes guys. To be honest guys, the quality of this gel liner is amazing. It's so easy to use because I'm the type that normally don't like gel liners. I think it's just a struggle to draw a perfect wing with a gel and a brush, but a good gel and a brush always make it easier, and this is really easy for me. If you don't know, your girl, she's her liquid liner babe. So I want to see all my liquid liner babes in the comment section. I will go in with my Sigma Sinuosity Lash Mascara. So we're just gonna be sinuosity these eyes right now. I really love the shape of this mascara guys. The angle is really cute. I really want to see how it's gonna make a difference to my eyes compared to the one I have before. Guys, I think it's cool. The shapes just make it easier to flip around. And I'll be going with my eyelashes from Amazon. Just make sure it's tacky and sticky before you apply your lashes. I'm gonna go back with my gel liner again. I'm just gonna use that to blend my false lashes with my natural lashes so everything can just be seamless, or else the glues and everything will just be sticking out. And also of course my mascara, this is just going to put everything in place. I went back with my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Moisturizer. I actually did this process before, but I decided to reapply just to give my face more moisture. So I'm just wiping out the fallouts from my eyeshadow. This step is important, especially when you're wearing glitter or shimmers that really falls out a lot. So this really just gives you a perfect foundation finish. I will go in with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. So this is meant to actually smooth and blurs out those imperfections on my face, those pores and all that. This primer is bomb.com, is nice. Like, I highly recommend this primer. It really just makes your foundation so flawless. Foundation today guys is my Fenty Beauty Pro Flex foundation in shade 450, and also I'll be using my Sigma F80 Air Flat Kabuki brush. Guys, I've been hearing about this brush all over Instagram, and I'm so happy that I'm finally trying it out today. Setting spray today, guys, is my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. I'm just going to spray this all over my face just to give me that flawless foundation finish. I'm so excited to see what this foundation brush can do right now, because I'm so used to foundation sponge. That is what I'm used to. So for what I can feel right now, like the bristles of this brush, guys, is bomb.com. It's so soft to the skin. That is a very important thing for me. I just don't like when foundation brush gives me those lines you get from it. At the end of the day, you end up blending it again with sponge, but this one is not like that. I just don't need sponge. Like, I don't know if you guys can see this flawless finish it's giving to me right now. I don't even need sponge to blend it. Oh, I love this. They also sent me their Power Blender sponge. I'm so excited to see the difference between this and my Real Technique sponge, because I've been using that for years. So I damp the sponge in water. That is just going to make it more good to my skin. And I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. I'm not going to lie, the difference is clear. This is so soft. Is blendable. Like, this is so good. The only thing I don't like is just the color. I don't know why Sigma will send me this, and I love the shape. Back with my Kabuki brush, and I use that to blend both the foundation and the concealer together. This step is very important because you don't want harsh line. And I'm using my Laura Mercier translucent powder in medium deep. I'm just going to use that to set my under eyes, so my makeup will last all day. I'm just applying that on my chin, my forehead, those areas that I actually highlighted earlier on. I'm going to use my Sigma F10 powder stroke blush brush to wipe everything off my face. The bristles are so soft, guys. I'm not going to use this as a powder brush because for me it's quite small. Definitely it's going to be my blush brush. I just love my powder brush to be very big. I think it's just an experience when it's big. I'm also going to be using this brush when I am wiping out products from my face the way I'm doing it now, because it's very precise and it's just a perfect size for it. I'm gonna go in with my Revelation Pro Perfecting Press Powder in Deep. I'm just gonna be applying that all over my face just so I can set everything together. I will be bronzing my face with my Revelation Pro Sculpting Bronzer in Mocha, along with my Sigma Contour / Bronzing Brush. Your girl is lazy today, guys. That is why I went straight to bronzing. I just think I have that kind of contour face already. I don't really want it to be more than this, because anything more than this, guys, I am gonna be a horse. I just don't want to look more than a horse than this. To be honest, guys, I think it will give you the same effect at the end of the day. Depends on you and how you did it. For me, I always try to use a bronzer that is a little bit more in a cooler side, because that is just going to give me more of that contour effect. If you use a bronzy shade that is more in the warmer side, you're just going to get that bronzing effect. So I think it depends on you, depend on what you want to go for. Be going in with my Sigma Ahura powder blush. This happens to be pink, guys. Are you kidding me? I never planned for this pink vibe, but I'm getting the pink vibe right now anyways, which is good for spring. We are in spring, everything needs to be pink. The texture of this blush is so smooth and the pigment is so soft, which I really love. I don't like when my blush is so ashy, that way it's so hard to blend, but this one is just so soft. Like, I don't know if you guys can see this. I really love it. But before the highlight, I'm just going to be spraying my face so all this powder can calm down a little bit. I think there's a little bit of calmness. So now let's highlight the face. So I'm going to be using my Sigma Scooped Highlight and Contour Palette. I'm going to be using this to highlight my face, guys. This is just the fun part for me. Did you see the pigment of this highlight, guys? Oh my god, I can't just wait. And I'm going to be using my Sigma highlighting brush as well. I really love the tip of this brush. It's very precise. The bristles are really nice. What I really love about it is the fact that you can blend well with it, because most of my highlighting brush, you can't really blend with them like my fan brush. You can apply your highlights with it, but you can't really blend. But this one is so blendable. I love it. Just trying to blend everything out so the whole product gets to know each other. And I'm using my MAC lip pencil in a chestnut. This lip pencil is almost gone, guys. I need to get a new one. I love it. And I'm going in with my Sigma Kiss Matte Lip Trio Mini lipsticks. So there are 3 inside. One of them is New Mood, Awaken, and Fable. So I think I'm going to be using the New Mood, which is more like a nude, and I'm going to be mixing it with Fable. I think that is just going to give me that pink vibe that I am actually looking for. This is satin matte finish with hydrating formula that is meant to be long wearing. We are going to see if that's true, but for now, guys, this is really hydrating. It's not sticky, it's not drying like most matte lipstick, which I don't like, but this one is really good. I would definitely keep this. I'm so loving everything about this Sigma that I use. I really love it. Their products are just a bomb, like everything I tried. So let's forget the fact that they actually sent this to me, but the quality is really amazing and I can't wait now that I've tried Sigma products. I really want to be buying more of their products now. Stuff to show you guys from Sigma. Don't mind my nails. I know you guys can see my terrible nails right now. Hope you understand. It's the quarantine nails. This is their matte brush cleanser. This is their makeup cleanser. This product, yeah, this is a sister to Sigma Beauty. In the box, you can still see the words Prac by Sigma Beauty. They are one. So I'm happy to try something from Prac. The packaging is bomb.com. Did you guys see the packaging? Oh, that is so cute. So they sent me the smaller one. I know definitely I went to their website, they have a bigger one. I think this is just going to change my brushes game. I'm telling you, like this on this, nice. So this is the one I actually purchased myself. The packaging is cute as well. I'm happy I have this one now. So that is a brush cleanser and a mat for cleaning the brushes.